Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Our Christmas gift to you this year is the 12 days of Waxmas. You're going to be getting a new video from us every day now up until Christmas Day. So I really hope you enjoy the videos. And as always guys, take care. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you for watching our earwax removal video today. Today is day one of the 12 days of Waxmas. So this is your first earwax removal compilation. You got these come in for the next, including today, 12 days. So what we can see here is our patient has some very soft wax here at the base of the canal. As we lift using the standard size ulnar tube, you'll see there's a little bit of skin underneath. So we're going to take that away. Just slowing it down a little bit so you can see what's going on there. And behind that we can see we've got a much deeper seated piece of wax. Little sort of lumps and bumps on the side of the canal wall here, which I'll explain in a few seconds for you. So just lifting, there we go, from the side and removing very slow. There we go, you just slow that down so you can get a good look at the wax as it comes out of the ear. So when we take a look back in now, you can see you've got quite a pronounced little bump there to the left hand side just in front of the eardrum. It's quite common to get these sort of lumps and bumps in canals. When it's quite pronounced like that, sometimes it can be a sign of swimmer's ear, which is where you get these bony outgrowths really into the canal. Normally though, if it's that, you get one either side and one coming down from the top as well, but we only had the one just the one side, so I think it's more of an anatomical feature than anything else. So we can see the other ear isn't quite as blocked up, but we do have some wax in here. So we're just going to remove this now. So the first thing to do is to just get a good grip on this section of wax here. We've lifted from the base of the canal, just slowly, there we are, taking this away. And then we'll have a good look behind that. You can see it's actually brought the remainder of the wax, forwards down the canal. So we'll just grab that section. Now that was originally stuck to the top of the canal wall. You can see that arc to it as it came away then. Take a look behind there. You can see we've got a little bump there to the right hand side of the canal wall, but the eardrum itself looks really good. So this is what we removed. You can see it's there was actually quite a bit in there. That slightly softer type of wax, this one. You can usually tell by the colour what sort of consistency and hardness the wax is going to be. So this is the second patient in the compilation. This gentleman's come through. You can see we've got some very hard wax sitting about a third of the way into the canal. Because it's really hard and we had quite a smooth face to the wax, I've just put some olive oil in here, which is going to help this to work its way out to the canal a little bit more easily. Always more difficult when they have these very hard flat faces to the wax. Difficult to get a good grip on there with the suction. So you can see I'm just gently probing the surface of the wax. We've got it to almost the outer part of the canal now, looking for anywhere we can get a good grip with the suction, and we're just starting to get that grip now. A little bit of a wiggle. We've slowed the video down again so you can see this coming away. There we are. Now if we take a look behind that now, a bit of difficulty getting back in the ear canal. Quite a small ear canal, that one, but good light reflex there. There's a little tiny bit of dry skin here to the right hand side of the canal wall, so we'll just go and grip that, take that away. Perfect. So a good look behind there. There we are. So you can see we've got this little plug of wax. It was quite a small ear canal, so you can see it was actually a really small plug, but when you take it in relation to the size of the canal, it was really blocking that canal up. So patient here a lot better after that was removed. So this is the last patient in the compilation here. We've got this, what appears at first glance to be very soft wax. It seems to be lots of little pieces layered over one another. This type of wax that you tend to find tends to be a little bit harder. The surface will be a bit softer, but the actual inner core of the wax is normally that little tiny bit harder. So just lifting this bit of dry skin right at the entrance to the canal. I think this lift of dry skin here that we're working on to the right side is what's trapped that wax behind it. But you can see we've managed to get a grip on the wax, but see it's not really, we haven't got a great deal of movement to the wax. Now that would indicate to me that the piece is actually quite long in the canal, or it's got a little bit of an extension further back. So I'm just getting rid of that dry piece. We're going to take the section away from the top here, which is going to give us a little bit more wiggle room. So let's get rid of that. We're trying to work it down the canal. There we go. That's got that piece away. Because we've broken that section from the top, it means we can now wiggle this piece of wax back and forth. Just trying to get a good enough grip to really hold on to this. There we go. Slowly working this out. You can see very gentle movement, just moving up and down to get it moving down the canal, and left and right to wiggle it out. Just slowing this portion of the video down now so you can see this coming away. Remember, we did think this was quite a long piece, or it certainly had some longer sections at the rear end. Struggling to get this out the rest of the way. You can see quite a wide front end to this wax. You can see we're really having to kind of wiggle this around. It just won't budge out of this canal. There we go. We've just folded the top section down. Now we're pulling on it. You can see, there we are. You can see there was dry skin attached to the rear end. That's broken the front end off this wax. So what we're going to do now is work this back section away. So you can see the wide front end's already gone. So this is what was hiding behind it. Just wiggling this out of the canal again, slowing this down just so you can see how this comes away. You see how much more difficult it is? It's not really budging out of the canal, even though you've got a good grip on it. That would show me that there probably is a little bit of dry skin further in that's holding this in place. There we are. Out this comes. See, it had that whole tail to the back end, which is when we were moving from the front end, we couldn't really see a great deal of up and down movement to that wax, because you had all that rear section behind that larger piece we took away first of all, just sitting there restricting its movement in the canal as we lifted up and down. And there we are, there's the eardrum. Light reflex is not so good on that one, so a little bit withdrawn, that eardrum, a little bit of retraction there. Just taking away some of these dry flakes. Just tidying up the entrance to the canal there a little bit. There's a little bit of dry skin there. We're just trying to lift that off if it'll come. There we go. Let's take a good look at that drum. And there we are. So this is what we removed. You can see the front end of the wax. So that was the larger piece there. That dry skin piece there to the right hand side as well. Yep, so all looking nice and healthy. Patient very pleased to get that out of their ear. I shall see you again tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. And as always, guys, until the next time, take care.